Okay, high level Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now, this is how you're going to use tags to filter out clients in the CRM section, aka the contact section. So let's get into that now. So there's two ways we can tag clients. One way is manually doing it. Second way, you can automation to do this, and then you can permanently filter these groups of people out. Let me show you how you do that. So let's do the first way manually, which is the easiest way and should be quite self-explanatory. So I can go into the contact section and just manually pick the people, even everyone if I want, all 500 if I want. And all I can do here is go to tag, add tag, like they could be, I don't know, they got a gold membership. Okay, press that and press, actually can just be, I don't know, whatever, don't matter. Add them to the tag, refresh the screen. And you can see there on the side, on tags, this person and that person has gold membership. Now that's very simple. Now the second way is that we automate it. So whenever someone fills a form out, whenever someone fills anything out that we can automate, we can add a tag section. And then we can permanently filter them out via smart lists. Let me show you. So here's my calendar that you can book a call with me. You can link in the description if you want to book a call with me if you've got any questions and stuff. So what happens is that a trigger is that customer books appointment in the calendar, high level Harris Q&A. What you do is just go to filter and you select in calendar like this, in calendar, and then high level, you pick your calendar. Then I email them a confirmation. I notify myself. Someone's on the wait list right here. So I wait for 35 minutes before, then I email them saying, our meeting's in 35 minutes, blah, 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 okay? But what I can do is, as soon as they come in, as soon as they book into my calendar, I can tag them. So I can add a tag and I can tag them with Q and A, okay? Add tag, save action. So whenever they come in now, whenever someone new comes in, they'll be tagged in Q and A. I can show you this in real time. So here's my YouTube channel, and here's all the affiliate perks. If you want to sign up through High Level, through my link, you get all these benefits. Okay, and remember, I've created a tag now. If someone books through, they get tagged. So let's do that. So if you go into my description, you've got a link here called book a call with me. Let's book a little call with myself, I guess. Let's just do today at 10:30 p.m. Put my name in, and then schedule meeting. So name is Jaze Test, phone test. Let's schedule the meeting. If we go back into contacts, we should have a new contact here, and they're tagged with Q and A. Email's been sent out right now due to automation. Jaze Test is right there. Now let's say if I wanna have a section, which I actually do now, to be honest, create a smart list, a permanent section. What I do and what smart lists are is just this thing right here. So I can permanently filter groups of people out. So let's say I want to permanently filter people with a tag Q&A. So I'll go to filters, I'll go to tag is, and the tag is going to be the Q&A tag, isn't it? Where is it? Q&A. Boom. Press apply. Then what I do, as we've got one person here, because I tested that with you, save as smart list. Save this as Q and A. Press save. Now we've got a new section. Now, as you can see here, here's all my contacts, but we've got a permanent section at the top here called Q and A, which is pretty cool. So that was just a quick video how you can use tags to filter out clients. It's very useful to know because when you're creating a sub account for local businesses, they need to filter out if someone's come through a gold membership, if someone's come through a silver membership, if someone's it's good for them to know where their clients are. So if you want to join High Level through my affiliate program, you get a free trial and all these benefits. Make sure you comment and like because it helps my channel grow. And yeah, thank you.